I'll admit, I'm new to photography. I'm not a professional, nor have I had any formal education or training. I'm a complete beginner. But that is why what I'm about to share matters so much. Because no matter your entry point or level, everyone stands to benefit from this.
Please stand clear of the closing doors. One closing door, stand clear.
Welcome to the channel. I'm Matthew, and you found The Creative Outlet, a place for those who have a passion outside of the day job, who use it to relax, de-stress and reset. I share how I do that through music, technology and photography, and today we're zooming in, looking through the lens and capturing what I feel is a life hack that everyone can benefit from through photography. Let's get to it. Okay, so we all take photos, right? We've got a phone in our pocket with an app that allows us to capture a moment and share that with friends and family. But I bet for the majority of us, that's where that journey ends. The photo stays on the phone's internal storage and serves no further purpose. But what if I told you a subtle change in mindset to that very approach opens up an entirely new world? Here's how. But before I tell you, please like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. I'm new to YouTube, this is only my third video and it'd be amazing if you could support the channel. I'm also looking to do a video every other week, so it'd be great to have you join me on that journey. Okay, so back to it. What is this life hack and how do you activate it? Well, the next time you leave and go out of the house, go out with the intention of taking photos of things that interest you throughout the day. And that's it. There's nothing more to it. It's that simple. And so effective. Now you may say, come on Matthew, that's not a life hack. What does it change? Well, it changes everything. Let me explain. Firstly, leaving the house with a deliberate intention of taking photos forces you to stop throughout the day, to slow down and be more observant of your surroundings. And you slowly start to see details that would have otherwise just passed you by. Secondly, it creates a very impactful separation between actions that we take on a day-to-day basis in autopilot mode, if you like, and a very focused, deliberate action that offers a new perspective. Now, that's why I wouldn't necessarily recommend you do this with your phone. We use our phones for 1,001 different things a day, and that for me, and I'm sure that's the same for you, has almost become part and parcel of your autopilot mode. So being able to create a very deliberate separation with another physical item, i.e. a camera, that enables you to take photos specifically for that reason, forces you to see things differently. It creates a separation that not only channels you into thinking in a certain way, but focuses the mind. Now, I appreciate cameras can be expensive, but they can also be inexpensive. And if you're not ready to invest right now, I'd recommend you just pop along to the shop and buy a couple of disposable cameras with film. I watched a very interesting YouTube video recently of Peter McKinnon, who challenged himself to shoot only on film for 12 months. And he talks about what he learnt through that journey and through that process and why it made him a better photographer. It's definitely one of my must-watch YouTube videos of last year, and I've put it in this video, so you can click on the link and watch it yourself. Please go ahead and watch it, it's very inspiring. Thanks, Pete. So, why does this give me a new perspective, and what's its impact? Well, honestly, if you give this a go, it's eye-opening. It really is. And what you'll start to see is things that have probably been there, right in front of you from the very beginning, but you've just never truly observed them. I came across a quote the other day from a famous French-American photographer, a man called Elliot Erwitt, who is best known for his black and white candid photos. The most famous one of which you may be familiar with is of the person in front of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, jumping up with the umbrella. And he describes photography as the art of observation. He says that actually it's very little about the things you see, but everything about the way you see them. And that right there is the photography life hack. That's the power of photography. And it's why I wanted to make this video. Please feel free to put some comments below as to whether or not you've also experienced this or feel the same. It'd be great to learn how others have interacted and approached photography, and if you've had the same realization at some point. Thanks for sticking until the end and watching this video. And remember, your 9 to 5 pays the bills, but your creative outlet defines you. I'll see you next time.